This is Way of the Cross with Brother Woody. Good morning to everyone. Well, you know the Lord tells us that we are worth more than even the stars in the heavens and even the birds that fly. Yes, it is important to realize that we as human beings were made for Him, to worship Him and to be with Him for eternity. Well, here's a verse that maybe we should read today. In Matthew 6, verse 26, "Look at the birds of the air. They do not sow or reap, or store away in barns, yet your Father in heaven feeds them. Are you not much more valuable than they?" Yes, our Father will help us also if we just ask Him. If it is our need and we need help, we need to come in prayer and ask the Father with thanksgiving for what we need today. Thank you for tuning in to Way of the Cross. The Lord bless you and keep you until we meet again. This is Brother Woody saying have a good day.